Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are going to solve International Mathematics Olympiad last year paper for class 3. There are 4 sections: logical reasoning, mathematical reasoning, everyday mathematics and achiever section. Now in this video, we are going to solve logical reasoning and mathematical reasoning, and other section we will solve in next video. Please watch video and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start with logical reasoning. Question number 1. Find the odd one out. In option A, P is followed by Q. In option B, T is followed by U. In option C, D is followed by E. But in option D, L, M, N. M is in between the L and N. So D is odd one out. D is right answer. Question number 2. Select the figure from the option which will complete the given figure pattern. Let's complete the figure first. First we complete this circle first and this shaded part. Then these two lines that are also shaded and this outer. So it match with option C. C is the correct answer. Question number 3. How many triangles are there in a given figure? Let's calculate the triangles. This is 1, 2, then inside 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 and 17 and 18. There are 18 triangles. So B is the correct answer. Question number 4. How many possible combination of one wristwatch and one wall clock can be formed from the given watches and wall clocks? There are 3 wall clock and 4 wristwatch. To calculate the possible combination, we have to multiply 3 into 4, which gives 12. D is the right answer. Question number 5. There is a certain relationship between the pair of figure on either side of this. Identify the relationship between the given pair and find the missing figure. Now on this side, F as to 12. In alphabetical order, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. F is a 6th letter and 6 into 2 is equal to 12. So I is a 9th letter and 9 into 2 is equal to 18. So C is the right answer. Question number 6. Which of the following word can be formed from the letter of the given words? The given letter is statement. First, toast. O is not present in the given letter statement. In B, here T, E, A, S, E. All letters are present in the given letter statement. So B is the correct answer. Question number 7. In which group does the number 30 not belong? In option A, it is the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30. So in option A, 30 is present. Option B, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. So in option B, 330 is present. Option C, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. So here also 30 is present. In option D, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24 and 4 7s are 28 and 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36. So 30 is not present in the option D. So D is the right answer. Question number 8. Which of the following figure will replace the question mark in the given figure matrix? In the given matrix, in each row there are same number of figures. Here 3, down 3, here 5 triangle, here 5 star, here 7 diamond. So here 7 number means option D will come, because in option D there are 7 squares. So D is the right answer. Question number 9. If yesterday was Friday, then the 6th day from today will be. If yesterday was Friday, then today is Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Today is Saturday and 6 from today is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, Thursday. 6th day from today will be Thursday. So A is the right answer. Question number 10. Find the mirror image of the given figure. In mirror image we will see this side here. So image and U will come this side, then O and then Y. So D is the correct answer. Next section is mathematical reasoning. Question number 11. Which of the following number names does not belong to the given figure? Here option A is 299. It is belonging to figure. 765. It is also belong to this figure. 102. It is belong to the given figure. 597. 597 is not belong to the given figure. So D is the correct answer. Question number 12. If book represents 4 books, then which of the following represent 18 books? This 4, 4, 4 and this is half book means 2. Total of this is 14. Option B, this 4, 4, 16, 4 and 4. Addition of this 6. Then here 5 books are there. Means total 5 4s are 20. 20 books. And option D, this is 4, 4, 4, 4 and this half means 2. Total of this 4 plus 4 8 plus 4 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 2 18. So D option represent the 18 books. D is right answer. Question number 13. The value of first abacus minus second abacus is equal to dash. First abacus showing the value here 3400, 3 and 1's place 6. First abacus showing 3436 and second abacus here 2000 then 500, here 2 tens and 3 ones, 2523, and their difference is 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 5, here we take 14, 14 minus 5 is 9, and here 2 minus 2 0. So answer is 9131. D is right answer. Question number 14. If one box is equal to 2 unit, then stapler is dash unit longer than the pencil. Now we first calculate the stapler length. Stapler start from here. So there are 7 box. So 7 into 1 box is equal to 2 unit, when 7 box is equal to 14 units. And pencil start from here. So there are 5 box. Pencil 5 box, and 1 box is equal to 2 unit. 5 box is equal to 10 units. And their difference is 4 units. So stapler is 4 unit longer than the pencil. So C is the right answer. Question number 15. The weight of 2 such toy horses is dash the weight of 1 laptop. Here weight of laptop is, there are 5 lines between 400 to 500. And the weight showing 402 lines. 1 line is equal to 20 grams. So weight of laptop is 440 grams. And weight of 1 horse is 200 grams. And 2 horse is 400 grams. So which weight is more? Laptop weight is more than weight of 2 horses. So here question is, weight of 2 such toy horse is less than the weight of 1 laptop. So A is the correct answer. Question number 16. Himanshi has 2 500 rupees note. Which of the following item can she buy if she spends all her money? She has 2 500 note, means she has 1000 rupees. She want to spend all her money. If she buy this tiger and spinning bell, 395 plus 615 is equal to, she is having 1000, so she cannot buy this. If she buy spinning bell and violin, then she have to spend 5 1 and 12,015. This also she cannot buy. If she buy tiger and violin, then 395 plus 605 is 1000. So she can buy tiger and violin. So B is a correct answer. Question number 17. A concert started at 20:45. It lasts for 2 hours and 25 minutes. At what time did it finish? So here we add 20, 45 plus 2 hours and 25. Here 5 plus 5, 0, 4. So 1 carry over, 4 plus 2, 6 and 7, and here 22. 22 and 70. But 70 minutes is equal to 60 minutes plus 10 minutes. This 160 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So time will be 23 and 10. Now this 23 and 10 will convert into 12-hour clock. It will be 11:10. 11:10 means the option A is right. Question number 18. Find the total length of boundary of the given figure. Now we first this 5 centimeter plus this 8 centimeter plus this 5 plus this 1 plus this 2, then this 1, this 2, then this 3, again 2, here again 2, plus this 2 and this 1. So total of this is 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 5, 18, 18 plus 1, 19 plus 2, 21, plus 1, 22, plus 2, 24, plus 3, 27, plus 2, 29, plus 2, 31, plus 2, 33 and plus 1, 34. So B is the right answer. Question number 19. If the digit at 10 place is interchanged with the digit at 1000 place in the given figure, then what is the difference between the new number form and the given number? The given number is 9376 and its 10 place is 7 and 1000 place is 9. If I interchange this with this, then the number will be 7396 and their difference is 6 minus 6 0, 7, 17 minus 9, 8, here 12, 12 minus 3, 9, here 8, 8 minus 7, 1. So C is the right answer. Question number 20. If this triangle is equal to 1 whole, then this equal to what? This one triangle is equal to 1 and this half shaded part is equal to half. So answer will be 1.5. A is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.